2 students met the lecturer to ask her to be the supervisor for their final year project. The 2 students submitted their final year project proposal to the lecturer. The lecturer accepted them. Another student also went to meet the lecturer with the same intention. But he was not accepted because the quota was already full. The student felt very disappointed. Meanwhile, the 2 students were confused about how to book a supervisor more easily. Then, another student came and told them about Smart SV Mobile. The lecturer was also using Smart SV Mobile. He accepted a student who sent a request to him through the system. After that, the lecturer felt happy. Meanwhile, a group of students had gathered together. Suddenly, they received notifications indicating that their applications had been approved. This brought them great relief and joy.
Introduction. Booking supervisors at UPNM is still manual, causing delays, miscommunication, and double bookings. This project introduced a supervisor booking system, mobile and web, that shows real-time availability, allows quick requests and approvals, and send instant updates.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Azizul Shaini bin Muhammad, metric number 2240225, and I will explain about problem statement. First, we got time-consuming process. Students spend days or even weeks trying to secure a supervisor due to slow communication and scheduling conflict. Second, we got overlapping booking. Without real-time update, multiple students may unknowingly request the same supervisor at the same time. Third, we got miscommunication. Important booking detail can be lost or even delayed in email exchange or verbal agreement. And lastly, we got limited accessibility. Booking can only be managed during office hour or through in-person meeting.
So now let's talk about the main objective of our project. The first objective is book-wise. Our idea is to make the process of booking supervisor much easier for student. Instead of the usual manual or confusing method or traditional method, we provide a simple mobile apps that can help student to directly book their supervisor. The second objective is real-time application. This means the app shows supervisor availability instantly, so students do not waste time trying to book a supervisor who is fully taken. Third, we focus on no hassle and no delays. Supervisor can quickly accept and reject booking request with just a few taps, which makes the whole process faster and more efficient. And lastly, we ensure smooth conflict-free scheduling, conflict-free scheduling. Once a booking is confirmed, the system update right way. So this can help to prevent double booking and avoid any clashes between students. So in short, this app is all about making supervisor booking simple, fast and reliable for both student and supervisor.
Next, I would like to explain about the scopes of this project. First, The development of this project will be used in environment of Android and also iOS. Second, the technology used in this project is Flutter as a beginner-friendly with many UI widget. The third one is all the booking records, all the lecture lists, and all the databases will be stored in PHP My Admin. And the last one, users are focused to use this application are for admin, supervisors, and also students. Next, we will talk about system users. First, admin. What admin do? Admin will ensure the system runs smoothly and support both supervisors and students. Second, supervisors. What supervisors do? Supervisors will control over their schedule and also manage requests that had been done by the student and improve the communication with the students. And the last one, students. What students do? Students will manage their academic scheduling and also they will request their supervisor for final year project. And everything, all the decision will be made by the supervisors.
So my part, I will explain about our problem storyboard. In this storyboard, I want to highlight the main problem faced by UPNM students when booking a supervisor for their final year project, or we call FYP. First, students often struggle because the booking process is fully manual. They need to ask lecturers directly about availability, but since each lecturer only has limited slot, it becomes a first-come, first-served situation. This leads to long waiting times, delays in approvals, and sometimes miscommunication between students and lecturers. Even lecturers face difficulties because they have to check proposals manually, which consume a lot of time and effort. Overall, both students and lecturers face stress and inefficiency in managing their final year project process. So in this part, I will explain about our storyboard solution. To solve the problem, we propose a new solution called Smart SB Mobile. In the storyboard, you can see that the idea to develop this app comes up as a way to make the booking process easier and practical. The mobile app is designed to be user-friendly, simple to navigate, and help students, lecturers, and administrators manage supervision smoothly. As a result, everyone involved is happier and more satisfied with the process FYP. Now, let me introduce the key features about our Smart SB mobile apps. First, the app is smart, secure, and user-friendly with a nice design that ensures smooth navigation. It also provides smart redirect to guide user easily. Second, it includes real-time booking slots so students can instantly check the availability of their supervisor. Third, lecturers can quickly approve or reject requests without delay. And finally, the system provides instant notification to both students and lecturers, reducing miscommunication. All of the features work together to make the final year project supervision process faster, easier, and more efficient.
So, for my part, I will talk about the prototype. So, you can see here is a login page, which is you can put your ID or matrix number for the students and the lecturer ID for the lecturers and the password. And for the student, if you put your matrix and passwords, you can click the login and go to the student homepage. The student itself, the app itself is for the student to find an available supervisor and send a booking request for them. And after the student click booking supervisor, it will goes to the faculty list, which is we has FSTP, FKJ, and FPPP. And student can select their faculty, and after that, if the student itself select their faculty, it will goes to the next page, which is the list of the lecturer itself. And as you can see, there are some type of availabilities for the student to check whether the lecturer itself have available or not. So after clicking to the lecturer he want, he can send the request to the supervisor. Now let's talk about the prototype. At the page, we have one page login page, which is it will detect whether there is a student ID or the lecturer's ID, which is for the lecturer IDs we go to the another page, which is for the lecturer itself. So here you can see the booking. Lecturer can check who has applied for him or her to be supervisor. So after he requested a student, the lecturer can see the list of the student that applied to the target supervisor, and the lecturer can see the student detail informations and check their FYP proposal. The lecturer can see the click to those proposal to see whether the proposal itself good or not and can accept or reject.